have you had a drink tonight?
One drink.
One drink?
Yeah.
All right. Spit the gum out for me, please.
You want me to?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
How much have you had a drink tonight?
One drink.
One drink?
Yeah.
All right. Spit the gum out for me, please.
You want me to?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Sure.
You had one drink?
Mm-hmm.
What time was that at?
An hour ago.
On April 2020, Saratoga Springs Police responded to a property damage collision. What followed demonstrates textbook probable cause development in DUI investigations.
Okay, so who was involved?
I was driving.
You were driving?
I was driving, yeah.
My car was parked. It's the black one, and then there's another guy. This is his white truck.
Okay. So you want to just come talk to me real quick, ma'am? So what's going on tonight? What happened?
So I'm trying to get home to Saratoga.
Trying to get home where?
To Saratoga.
To Saratoga?
Yeah.
Okay. From where?
From Saratoga.
From Saratoga to Saratoga.
To Saratoga, yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Where are you driving from?
Saratoga.
Where in Saratoga?
Right up the street.
Right up the street? Where's right up the street?
Empire Run.
Okay. And where were you driving to in Saratoga? Okay, so you're not driving to Saratoga then.
Correct, but close.
You're driving to Boston Lake.
Correct.
Half an hour away.
But I can stay there if you want me to stay there. I can stay
Half
there.
an hour away.
Correct. But I can
Okay.
stay right here if you want me
How
to
much
stay
have you
here.
had a drink tonight?
One drink.
One drink?
Yeah.
Alright, spit the gum out for me, please.
You want me to?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Sure.
You had one drink?
Mm-hmm.
What time was that at?
An hour ago.
An hour ago? Where?
Yeah. Empire Run.
Empire Run?
It's right here.
Yeah, I know where Empire Run is. Okay.
I'll show you if you want
Is that
me
a
to.
No, you don't need to.
Okay, okay. If
What are we doing at Empire Run?
just see my friend,
Okay.
but she's like right here. If
Okay.
you want me to show you.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Do you have your ID on you?
Sure. It's in the car.
It's in the car? Okay. Is it your
Yeah.
car or is it someone else's car?
It's probably my car.
It's probably your car.
Yeah.
Who would it be registered if it registered to if it wasn't you?
Correct. It's probably my car.
It's probably your car?
Yeah.
So who would it come back to if it wasn't you?
My car.
Okay.
The Porsche Cayenne is my car.
Okay.
Do you want me to show you my car?
I can see your car and I'll go.
Not good.
Okay. Stay right here for me, please.
Okay.
What's your name? Ma'am, what's your name? Alright, Kelly, come over here for me, please.
Okay.
$15.82. If you have a unit, start me a gray box. Alright, right over here to my car, please. Stand right here, face your car, don't move, okay? Okay, so you said you were driving from Empire Run, correct?
It's like right here. Literally.
Okay, so which way down the road were you coming?
This way.
You're coming this way or this way?
No, this way.
So
From
you're going
Empire
like
Run?
this.
Yeah.
How'd you hit the truck then?
I don't know.
Don't worry about your phone for right now.
Okay.
I gotta talk to you, okay?
Okay.
How'd you hit the truck then?
I don't know.
Okay, so you're saying you're driving from
Yep.
north to south, going
Correct.
this way,
Correct.
going to Boston Lake,
Correct.
which is
Going
that way.
home. Yep.
Boston
Correct.
Lake's that way,
Correct.
correct? But you're driving that way to
Yep.
go home.
Going home.
Okay. I just want to make it clear. All right.
Yep.
I just want to make sure you get
Correct.
the story right.
Yep.
All right. And how many drinks have you had tonight?
2.
2?
Mhm.
Okay. And what were they to drink?
Just Casamigos on the rocks.
Amigos on the rocks.
On the rocks, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And the last drink was when?
A couple hours ago.
A couple hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If you want, you can put your phone right on the
Okay.
hood of the car for me. I just got to put you through a couple tests, make sure you're safe to drive, all right?
Yep.
What I want you to do is I want you to stand heels together, toes together, arm at your side,
Sure.
just like
Yep,
that,
yeah,
okay?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. All right. Are you on any medications right now?
No, not at
No?
all.
Have you had any other illegal drugs tonight?
No.
Smoke any weed,
No,
do anything like that?
I don't do
Okay. Just want to make sure.
that. Yep.
Are you diabetic at all?
No,
Do you have
not.
any? All right. Do you have any medical issues I need to
I
know
don't
about?
know.
Do you have any issues with your legs? You're
No,
fine
I
with
don't.
walking or anything
No,
like that?
I don't.
Okay. Any issues with your back?
No.
Okay. When was the last time you slept?
10 hours ago?
Okay. What
Like,
time? What time did you wake up today?
Like 9 o'clock.
Did you get a full night's rest?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that
When was the
okay?
last time? Yeah, I just like to ask, make sure I get all the information I can.
Like it was a full night's sleep.
All right. What was the last thing you ate?
Like chicken tacos. Is
Alright.
that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
And how long ago was that?
Well, it was like 10 hours ago at least.
Okay, all right. So I want you to stand
Okay.
just like you are right now,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
All right. Can you see my pen?
Mhm.
All right. Can you tell me what color my pen is?
Blue.
All right. Do you wear glasses or contacts
No.
at all? All right. Perfect. All right. Tell me one more time what color it is.
Blue.
Blue. All right. All right. Well, it's a black pen, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I want you to keep your eyes right here on the tip of the pen, all right? You're going to stand still. You're going to keep your head still. You're going
Okay.
to keep your eyes on the tip of the pen. You're going to follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Keep following it.
Yeah.
Not following it for me, okay?
No, I am.
No. Every single time you stop, we got to start over.
Okay.
So as long as you follow it the first time, we get it done in one try, right?
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Doing good. Keep following it.
Yep. Okay.
Keep following it. You're doing good.
Yep. Following left.
Oh, don't move your head. Keep your head straight at me, okay?
Yeah.
Look straight at me. Pen
Gotcha.
turn. Ready?
Yep.
You got to follow the pen.
Right. Gotcha.
Almost done.
I'm back out on you.
Keep your head straight.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Here's the pen.
Yep.
All right. For this next test, I want you to imagine a straight line right in front of you, okay?
Okay.
Nope, stay right where you are.
Oh. Okay.
Yep, perfect, right there. Stand right there, all right? Just like you are. I want you to imagine a straight line right in front of you, okay? I want you to take your right foot, put your right foot right in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, just like me. Right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Nope, look at me. See how I'm standing? See how I'm standing? Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. All right. All right, keep your arms on your side. You're going to stay in this position while I explain the rest of the test, okay?
Okay.
You understand that?
Yep.
Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to take a series of 9 heel to toe steps forward. You're going to perform a turn and come back. It's going to look something like this, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, but so on until you get to 9. When you get to that 9th and final step, your lead foot in place. With the other foot, you're going to take a series of small steps, just like this. Turn yourself around. 9 more heel to toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, again, all the way until 9.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay, so when I tell you to begin, 9 heel to toe steps down. Turn like I demonstrated, 9 back. Look down at your feet. Count out loud each step so I know what step you're on. And keep your arms at your side. Once you've started, do not stop until you completed the test. Do you understand everything I just told you?
Correct.
All right, go ahead.
1, 2, 3. Correct.
How many steps did I tell you to take?
3, 4, 5. Correct. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
You tell me when you're done.
Done.
Done? All right. Do you understand what I just told you?
Correct.
How many steps did I tell you to take?
4.
Okay. All right, let's stand back over here for me. All right. Understand with your feet together, arms on your side, just like this. Stay in this while I explain the test, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to pick either foot, whichever foot you want. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to look down. No, wait till I tell you to.
Okay.
You're going to look down at your foot and count out loud in thousands. 1001, 1002, 1003, so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand everything I just explained to you? You do?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll tell you when to begin, alright? Remember, look down at your foot, count out loud in thousands, keep your arms at your side.
Okay.
Alright? And begin. Nope, let's come back over here. Do you remember what I told you? Do you remember the test I just explained to you?
Yeah.
What did I...
2001.
Yep, what are you supposed to do?
2003.
No, what are you supposed to do?
Look at you.
But no, you're not supposed to look at me. I'll explain it one more time for you, okay? Because I don't think you understand it,
Yes,
alright?
yes,
Okay. Pay attention, alright?
Mm-hmm.
It's important. You got to pay attention. Okay? When I tell you to, you're going to raise your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Yep.
You're going to look down at your foot. Count it loud in thousands. 1001, 1002, 1003.
Okay.
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand
Yep.
that?
Yep.
Remember, look down at your foot. Keep your arms at your side and count out loud in thousands. Okay? I'll tell you when to start.
Yep.
You understand, right?
And go.
Go ahead.
1002. 1003. 1004.
Okay.
And go.
Is that the test you want to do? You don't
Yes.
want to do what I just told you twice? Okay.
Is it not it? It's not on it. Is it not it?
Alright, so this is to determine the presence of alcohol in your breath or not, okay? So what I need you to do is I need you to take a deep breath, see your lifting on the stool and blow.
Okay.
Go. Blow. Blow. Out. Blow out. Keep going harder. You gotta actually blow. It's foolproof. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Alright. Right now you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? You're gonna go back to the station. Talk a little bit more about it there, alright? Do some paperwork. See if you can get your ride home, okay?
Okay. Your car?
Yep.
No, it's on my car. Oh,
Huh,
okay.
this is my car.
Yeah.
Alright, Sergeant. Pat you down, make sure you don't have any machetes or shotguns or anything like that. Do you need me to get anything out of the car for you? Purse, a phone, anything like that? Your phone's on the hood of my car, so I'll grab that. Is there anything in your car that you want?
Can you get everything from my car?
Yeah, I'll get some stuff for you. I'll grab your purse and basic
Thank
stuff
you.
like that, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Spread your feet nice and wide for me, okay? Spread your feet nice and wide for me, okay? Oh, careful. Sorry, it's hard to see in there. Yep. Just gonna buckle you in, okay? So just
No,
lean,
it's okay.
lean
It's
back
okay.
for me. I have to.
Oh, you do?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
1041 Express 0003.
Alright, Kelly, go ahead and step out.
I mean, I can't.
Oh. There you go.
I mean,
Ready? Going right across the road over here. I got your phone right here, see?
okay. I mean, I'm not gonna like touch it, but
No, I know. I'm just letting you know I have it.
yeah.
Janet's at home. Okay. Do you know her number off the top of your head? Or you need it off your phone.
Can you get my phone?
You can look the number up on your phone, but we have to call from this phone, okay?
But I can't like.
You can't text or anything. You got to keep the phone up on the counter so I can see it.
Can you like unlock me though? 'Cause-
Yeah, what's your passcode?
dude, can you?
What is it? I thought you said.
Oh, I don't know if I can though.
Jen, right?
Yeah. Alright, can you?
There we go. Recent.
You can.
39.
I mean, I don't know if she's gonna. Is she's gonna answer though.
Just leave a message and tell her it's you and
Really?
call back, yeah.
She probably won't though. She probably won't. She's not answering you. Yeah, she's not.
So we'll do
answering
this.
now.
Alright, let me see this. I'll call her and I'll put her on speaker, okay?
She's not gonna answer though.
Why? She
She's
just
not.
called back.
She's not answering though.
Why?
But she's probably not. So can we not do that?
Who do you want to call then? Unless you want to stay here all night.
No, I don't want to hear. I don't want to stay here all night. But she's not gonna answer.
She just called back though.
No, she's not. Can I
She
get
did.
unlocked?
She did.
Can I get
Here.
unlocked though?
Here.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice.
No, can I get unlocked?
No, you have to say handcuffed.
I do.
Yep.
Jen,
What?
can you help me? I'm at the police station.
Yeah.
Okay. So
She's at the Saratoga Springs Police Station at 5 Lake Ave in Saratoga Springs.
Okay, well here's my thing, is like I drank too, so like
Yeah.
I don't have to drive there to pick her up.
No, if you've been drinking, you shouldn't drive to pick her up. We need someone sober to pick her up. So if you bring someone sober with you, or I can have her try someone else.
Kelly, who the f gonna ask right now?
I don't know, Jen. Thanks a lot.
I told you to sleep over. I literally, oh my god. Can you just, like, are they gonna like let you Uber like back to my apartment? It's literally
Probably
5 minutes away.
No, we gotta release her to somebody sober. And unfortunately, you can't let them go to the taxi or Uber.
Okay.
Probably not, Jen.
I mean, like, I would 120% come pick you up. I just, like,
Yeah, you've already admitted to me you've been drinking, so we can't release her to you.
yeah, I mean, like, I know you're obviously gonna breathalyze me, and you're probably, like, on, like, the line, so I don't know. Dude, what do you want me to, like, try to ask one of my neighbors? Like, I don't know.
It's totally up to you. It can be anybody. They just have to be sober.
Okay,
And Willie just signed.
I didn't mean to call you, dude. I thought I was talking to Kelly.
It's alright. I thought you were too, but she wasn't responding, so...
I was talking like a girl.
Okay, Jen.
Kelly, do you want me to, like, go ask Emilio? I don't know.
Jen, what the f do you expect? Like, clearly this is not okay. This is not okay. It's not okay, Jen.
No, I know.
So, whatever you
Can I walk or no?
No, because you've said you've been drinking, so you're not sober.
So you're not allowed to walk though?
You can walk, but we can't release her to you.
Oh, yes, okay.
You have to be released to somebody sober.
Okay, because I literally live like in Empire Run, which is right down the street.
Yeah.
Annoying. I don't know. Kelly, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to
I
help
don't know,
you?
Jen.
There's 3 people that live in my building that I'm friends with. Do you want me to go wake one of them up? Or you want to call your parents? Like, I don't.
That's gonna be okay. Like, yeah, you have to. You have to.
What do you want me to do?
You have to, Jen. Clearly.
Not cool.
Clearly you have to. Jen, you have no choice but to. Right? There's no other choice. No other choice.
All right, Jen. I'm gonna tell you to if you feel like it, try to get someone to come down. I'm gonna give you our phone number to call us if you do find somebody. Okay? Just let me know when you're ready.
Give me like 2 seconds. I have to write it down right.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Kelly, don't hang up the phone.
No, she's not.
Oh my god. Hold on. Clearly I'm not in the same state of mind she's in, but I just don't want to drive there and you'd be like, oh, you blew, like, whatever, you know?
Yep.
I know, I get it. Give me like 2 seconds so I can, or wait, I can type it on my notepad. Hold on, just 2 seconds.
Is she okay?
Kelly, Kelly, I'm fine. Go ahead, 518.
Yep, 584.
Wait, 584.
Yep.
518, 584.
Yep, and then just follow the prompts, and it'll take you to dispatch, and just tell them you're calling for Kelly, and they'll transfer you back to me. Okay?
Okay, so like 2 questions. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
You're just gonna hold her there until, is she gonna call someone else, or do I have to
No,
figure it out?
I'm literally gonna call you, Jen.
No, I'm gonna see if she can get a hold of somebody else too. But if no one can come get her, she'll be staying here for the night, and she'll see the judge in the morning. There's no bail or anything like that. Someone just needs to come and sign for her. That's sober.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Alright.
Bye. All right. Who else do you want to try?
No, that's it, Jen.
That's it.
Yeah.
What about mom or dad?
No, they're like in bed sleeping with my puppy.
All right. What about siblings? You got siblings old
No,
enough?
I don't have anybody.
No. Okay.
No,
No other
that's
friends
it.
in the area that you can call?
No,
Co-workers? It can literally be
That's
anybody.
it. That's it.
All right. I just don't want to have to
That's
see you have to stay here for the night.
That's it. So can I go home with Jen?
But if Jen gets someone sober to come with her to pick you up, then yes.
Yeah. Okay. Can you call Jen? Can you call Jen?
She's gonna try and call other people.
No, but she's she's
Yeah, you know.
yeah.
Our observation time is 12:12. Yeah. Yeah, no. See,
She's
that's my sergeant.
what is that?
I gave him the time for when he has to come and do the test. Do you have any piercings in your mouth at all?
No.
Do you have any dentures or retainers, anything
No.
like that? Okay.
I don't. Can she be it? Can I go home with her and go to bed?
If she can bring somebody, yeah.
No, she's not bringing anybody though. That's
She's
the
gonna
problem.
try to. She said she was.
She has nobody to bring.
She said she was gonna
She's
ask
by
one of her
herself.
neighbors.
No, she's by herself. Is that not okay though?
What? No, it's not. She said she's been drinking, so she can't take
She
custody.
can't bring anybody?
No,
Like, literally right
she's
there
gonna
on
try
the
to bring
block.
somebody. I'm telling you, she's trying to bring somebody.
We can't bring anybody to walk? Honestly?
You're not understanding me.
Really?
The officer's authority stems from New York Vehicle and Traffic Law, Section 600, requiring drivers in accidents to remain at scene for investigation. Notice the immediate contradictions. Saratoga to Saratoga, then Ballston Lake, then Empire Run. Each inconsistency contributes to reasonable suspicion. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989, officers assess reasonableness from their perspective at the moment, including all information possessed during the encounter. The story evolves again. 1 drink becomes 2 drinks. 1 hour becomes couple hours. People versus Budin establishes changed stories support consciousness of guilt. Before field sobriety tests, medical questions are mandatory under NHTSA protocols. Medications, diabetes, physical conditions affecting test validity must be documented. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test checks involuntary eye jerking. 6 clues exist: lack of smooth pursuit, distinct nystagmus at maximum deviation, an onset before 45 degrees in each eye. 4 or more clues suggest blood alcohol concentration above 0.08%. This test has 88% accuracy when properly administered. Walk and turn is a divided attention test. 8 specific clues indicate impairment. Cannot keep balance during instructions. Starts too soon. Stops while walking. Doesn't touch heel to toe. Missing steps, stepping off line, improper turn, and using arms for balance. 2 or more clues suggest BAC above 0.08 with 79% accuracy. Multiple errors observed here directly correlate with NHTSA validation studies. Standardization is critical because courts evaluate whether procedures were followed correctly. 1 leg stand checks 4 clues: swaying, using arms for balance, hopping, and putting the foot down. 2 or more clues indicate .08 BAC with 83% accuracy. New York, VTL, Section 1192.3, criminalizes operating while intoxicated to a substantial extent, regardless of specific BAC number. Section 1192.2 establishes .08% as per se evidence. The number alone proves intoxication, without additional impairment evidence required. Probable cause now exists through totality of circumstances. Property damage accident, alcohol odor, admission of drinking, contradictory statements, and failed standardized tests. New York, VTL, Section 1194 contains implied consent law. Operating a vehicle means automatic consent to chemical testing if officer has reasonable ground. The 20-minute observation period is scientifically based. Officers must confirm no consumption, regurgitation, or foreign objects in mouth that could compromise breath test accuracy. Failure to conduct proper observation can result in test suppression. Defense attorneys routinely challenge whether this procedure was followed to the letter. The custody release issue illustrates a critical policy. Police cannot release intoxicated arrestees to other intoxicated persons, regardless of personal hardship created. This stems from both liability concerns and duty of care. If released and subsequently injured, the department faces Section 1983 civil rights litigation. Standard procedure requires release to sober responsible party or detention until arraignment. New York criminal procedure law requires arraignment within 24 hours. The officer's patience demonstrates professional de-escalation despite increasing emotional intensity. This prevents additional charges like resisting arrest or disorderly conduct. From a Fourth Amendment perspective, the seizure was reasonable. Accident investigation authority, combined with observed impairment indicators, satisfied constitutional requirements. Fifth Amendment issues are minimal. Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, establishes roadside questioning during traffic stops doesn't require Miranda warnings until formal arrest. However, post-arrest statements could have been preceded by Miranda advisement, though not legally required for DUI prosecutions based on observations and tests. The Saratoga Springs officer receives grade B+. Legal compliance was strong. Proper probable cause development, standardized test administration, and accurate procedure explanations. Tactically sound. Maintained professionalism under emotional pressure. Exercise patience. Followed NHTSA protocols and documented medical conditions affecting test validity. Areas for improvement. Communication clarity about why contradictions mattered could have been more explicit. Camera positioning made some standardization elements difficult to verify. The implied consent advisement could have been more formally documented on camera, though the observation period and testing procedures were properly explained. Overall, this represents professionally competent police work with strong legal foundations that would likely withstand both criminal defense challenges and civil litigation. Kelly, the driver, receives grade C-. The fundamental issue, choosing to operate a vehicle after consuming alcohol, resulting in property damage. Contradictory statements severely damaged credibility. Each changed story provided additional evidence supporting probable cause and consciousness of guilt. Failed to invoke Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination. Answering questions about alcohol consumption provided evidence used against her in prosecution. Field sobriety test performance showed multiple NHTSA validated impairment indicators. Balance issues, improper technique, inability to follow divided attention instructions. Positive aspects: nonviolent compliance throughout, no physical resistance, attempted to work within legal system to secure proper release through responsible party. The C- reflects poor decision-making and legally damaging conduct, balanced against nonviolent cooperation and absence of escalation through resistance. Key lessons from this case. First, understand implied consent. Operating a vehicle in New York means automatic consent to chemical testing. Second, inconsistent statements destroy credibility and create probable cause. If uncertain, exercise Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Third, field sobriety tests are evidence-gathering tools, not pass-fail exams. You can decline, though refusal itself becomes circumstantial evidence. Fourth, standardization matters. Improperly administered tests can be challenged. Officers must follow exact NHTSA protocols for results to be admissible. Fifth, custody release requires sober, responsible party. This is non-negotiable policy, protecting both public safety and departmental liability. Sixth, know the BAC thresholds. 0.08% is per se DWI. 0.05 to 0.07 supports DWAI charges. Finally, professional demeanor during arrest can prevent additional charges. Resisting, threatening, or becoming combative adds serious criminal penalties. This case demonstrates how officers build legally defensible DWI cases through standardized procedures, proper documentation, and constitutional compliance. Understanding these procedures helps citizens evaluate whether police actions align with legal requirements and protects rights during traffic encounters. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.